This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust, customize, and just generally change the shooting parameters, the shooting mode preferences and options on this device. So first open the fly interface. Now look at the bottom right corner of the display, and here you have the adjustments, different adjustments for photo mode, different adjustments for video mode, as you can see. But regardless of the shooting mode you have selected, you can switch between automatic and pro modes for your camera by tapping on this icon there. So now it is in pro mode, so I have to manually set all the parameters, and they are not being automatically adjusted to the environment that my drone is currently in, but it gives you more manual control, I guess. So if you're looking to empower yourself with manual camera adjustments, that's the way to do it on this drone. Or tap on this button once again to switch it back to automatic mode and allow the drone to automatically adjust and select all the best parameters for any given environment your drone is currently in. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.